Hello, year one. Welcome to our last science lesson for the half term. So this would normally be our hot task, and that is where you get to show us, the teachers, all the things that we've learned about this half term and all the things that you know. So we're going to do that together today. So our objective is, can I identify the five senses and relate them to a part of the body? Can I remember different types of bones? Can I look at different organs? And can I remember different parts of the body? So this is your hot task. This is your chance to show off everything that you have learned. So let's do some review. Here we have some human organs that we learned about. You can stop the video here and go through and name them, or you can do them with me. So let's go through. First one we have is, this is our, well done, our brain. And where is our brain? Well done if you said it goes in our skull. Put our brain in our skull. What about this organ? What organ is that? Well done if you said stomach. That's right, that's our stomach. That is where all of our food gets stored. What about this organ? What is that? Great, well done if you'd said our heart. Our heart is what pumps our blood through our body. What about this organ? What do we call this? Do you remember? Well done if you said our intestines. So yes, those are our intestines. And that takes all the parts of the food that we don't want in our body, and it gets rid of all the waste that we don't want. And our last, these are our lungs. Well done if you said lungs, and that is what helps us to breathe. So those are our organs. So the next thing we talked about is different parts of the body. So this would be one of our hot tasks. It said, tick the body parts the child can correctly point to or name when asked. So if you would like to, you can pause the video and you can have an adult or an older brother or sister or someone in your house to name some of these organ or parts of the body, and you can point to them. So if I said head, what would you point to? Well done if you said your head pointed here. What about your arm? Arm, well done. If I said to you, where's your elbow? Well done. What about though, if I said, what is this called? Well done if you said forehead. So those are some of the different parts of the body that you can get your family member to test you on. The other thing that you can do is we are going to do a scavenger hunt senses. So here I have 6 things, and what I would like you to do is go around your house if you're able to and find something for each of these scavenger hunt senses. So the first one is something smooth. So if you want, you can either write it down or you can just find something smooth. Then you have something rough. What could be in your house that's something that's rough? Something that makes a noise. Something that is round. Something yellow. And something that comes from a plant. So if you're not able to find that one, maybe you could think about something that you use for your sense of smell. What could you find in your house that you use your sense of smell for? So the other activity, some of you might have these sheets at home if you were given them on our last day, but another activity you can have is to draw a body and you can label it. So if you want, you can have a look at these different parts of the body and see if you can label it. I've done one for you. So if you want to pause the video and try this, or I'm going to show you the answers. So here we have the different parts of the body, and I've drawn a line to show where they are. So you've got your palm, your arm, leg, foot, shoulder, elbow, your waist, your hips, and your stomach. Now, giving you the answers. This part of our lesson would be to see what you remember. Do you remember these 4 bones that we talked about? Have a think if you can remember these 4 bones. Now you have your 5 senses and your body parts. Do you remember the different 5 senses and the body parts that you have? So if you do, here we go. Skull at the top, our rib cage, our pelvis, and our kneecap. So you do remember our skull, what does it protect? Well done, it protects our brain. And your rib cage, what does your rib cage protect? Well done if you said your lungs. And what about your pelvis? Yes, we said that your pelvis is kind of like a bowl shape. And inside your pelvis are all those organs, and that protects. And then you've got your 5 senses and the different body parts: eyes, ears, nose, mouth, touch, sight, hear, smell, taste, and touch. So that is your hot tasks. So that would be our final lesson in science. It's a review to see all the things you've learned. So you can draw a picture of the human body and label it. You could draw me some skeleton pictures and label some of the bones like we did in class. You could write me some sentences about the organs, or you could show me a picture of you pointing to different parts of your body. If you'd like to upload them on Tapestry, then we can have a look and see how well you're doing at home. I hope you have enjoyed learning all about the human body this half term in science. It's been really exciting learning the way that our body works and all the different important parts. So enjoy thinking about our senses, maybe over half term, some of the things that you see, smell, something different you might taste, something you might, as new sounds you might hear, and then think about your body and think about the bones in your body, and the different organs and the way that your body works. So enjoy, and we look forward to our new topic after half term. Bye.